In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project on LinkedIn efficiently and effectively. Whether you're looking to showcase your latest work or highlight a significant project that's been a big part of your professional journey, LinkedIn is a fantastic platform to get the word out. Let's dive in and get started with the process. First, you're going to want to open your web browser and head over to LinkedIn's official website. If you haven't already signed in, find the Sign In button located usually at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn home feed, the central place where you can explore updates from your network. Now, take a look at the top right corner to find your profile icon. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select View Profile. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile, where all the magic happens. Here's where you showcase your professional accomplishments, and today we'll be adding your project information. On your profile page, you'll notice a button labeled Add Section. Click on this, and a menu will expand, revealing several options for adding various types of content to your profile. Since we're focusing on projects, hover over and click on Recommended. This is where LinkedIn will suggest sections that can enhance your profile based on your existing content. In the Recommended section, you will see the option labeled Add Projects. Select this, and you'll be directed to a form where you can enter all the essential details about your project. Here, take your time to fill in the project name, your role, and any team members involved. There's a space for a brief description as well, where you can highlight what the project was about and any particular achievements or outcomes you'd like to note. Providing a comprehensive description will make your project more appealing to viewers. Once you've completed all of the fields, double-check the information to ensure accuracy. After you're certain everything's looking good, hit Save. And there you have it. You've successfully added a project to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to let your connections and potential employers know about your skills and the work you're passionate about. As a final tip, keep your project descriptions concise but informative, focusing on the most impressive aspects that will capture attention. Share away and let your accomplishments speak for you.